pretty standard Spider-Man stakes. You get used to it.
It must be tedious, fending off man all the time.
You get used to it.
It's not important, okay? You're not important. Get used to it.
I've never seen a dead body before.
Yeah, get used to it.
Staff Sergeant Dignam has a style of his own. I'm afraid we all have to get used to it.
It's completely insane. You guys are idiots.
Yeah, well, whatever. Ted Clubberlang. Get used to it.
They're dead. All of them. Get used to it. It's just a matter of time.
You're a minority. And you better get used to it.
Oh boy. You'll get used to this.
Sometimes I try to hug you too long and it gets a little uncomfortable. But you just get used to it.
Why does this house have to stink so bad?
You'll get used to it after a couple of hours.
I don't understand what's the point of the exercise if we couldn't have saved them.
The point is to get used to it.
And don't worry about the tattoo. I'm gonna have it lasered as soon as we're home in LA.
It's okay. I can get used to it.
Get used to it. Stay strong.
That's called pain. Get used to it.
We lay eggs, day in and day out. And when we can't lay any more, they kill us.
It's a cruel world, Dollface. You might as well get used to it.
I knew that you weren't the cleverest girl in the world, but I didn't know that you were actually a fool.
Yes. Well, if it makes you feel better to hurt me, then go ahead. You might as well get used to it.
I don't want to be here.
Really? But you look so comfortable.
Yeah, well, this is who I am, okay? So just get used to it.
Ooh.